How servicing your AC can save you money. Beyond the immediate relief your AC provides, regular servicing can prove to be a smart financial decision. Here is how regularly servicing your air conditioner can save you money in the long run. A well-maintained AC unit operates more efficiently, consuming less energy and reducing your utility bills. Regular maintenance helps in extending the lifespan of your AC unit and postponing the costly need for a replacement. Regular servicing can identify small issues that are less expensive to fix than major problems that can occur if left unchecked. P&M Air Conditioning and Heating in Houston, Texas understands the importance of a well-maintained AC system. Our expert technicians are dedicated to ensuring the optimal performance of your unit without breaking the bank. Start by calling 713-588-6249 to schedule your AC service with P&M Air Conditioning and Heating today.